Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nkonye, also known as NdiNaija. Ja. It's another Planner Kate haul. It's another Planner Kate haul. It's another Planner Kate haul. I bought a bunch of stickers. And the reason I have 2 packs here is because after I purchased these, and this was a lot, I realized that I was just going through my cart or my purchase thingy on Etsy again, and I noticed that I didn't get the sticker kit that I wanted for my Valentine's Day spread. Ergo, or enter this package here, which I purchased, I think it was last Saturday when they had when she had her Misfit sale. So she had the Misfit sale, and while I was on the Saturday morning live, I was able to get one. So that's that. I'm going to open these, both of them. I'm going to open both of them and show it all to you guys. So stick around. Okay, so this is what the packages look like. This is the Valentine's Day stuff. This is this is Valentine's Day, and that might be only the Valentine's Day stuff. Huh, that's odd. This is the Misfit and all the other stuff. I purchased this one before this one. But I think she put them together because I think she put them together. Did she? Did she? I think so. I'm looking at my order thing that's in here. I do know that I purchased the Misfit stuff. I don't know. Yeah. I thought I purchased the Misfit stuff along with these, but she put them in here. Not that it matters where it is. It's here, so that's all that matters. We're going to start with this one. Okay. So in her order, she typically adds 5 freebies. So these are the freebies. We have dots. We have these scrolly thingies. Ooh, we have day off, vacation, holiday, sick day. Very useful. Rainbow and more rainbow. These, I should start using these for my budgeting stuff. And then this is the kit. So I got this mini kit 211, and that's what I'm going to use for my Valentine's Day spread, which you should, well, that'll be used in my next Saturday morning live. So you'll be seeing this video after that occurs. So these are the icons. I like the pink. It's not a deep fuchsia-y pink. It's light enough and has just a smidge of orangey brown in it. And these are the basic labels. These are the icons. These are the hourly labels. This is the sidebar. And these are, I should have 2 headers. I guess I got just one. So this is the header for my hourly. These are the skinny washi hourly checklists. I got 2 of those. And these are the ombre boxes. Ooh, I like this light pink. This washi is gorgeous. I like the color. Then this is the regular sampler. And then more washi, full boxes, and school stuff. Yeah. So that's it for the first one. And this next set, so that's her card. And thank you so much, 15 for 15% off your next order. I typically use either the Happy Place 20 coupon code or Julie G20. That's from Happy Place Planning and Julie Garza, who is also on YouTube. These are the 5 freebies. And then this is these are extras for mini kit 217. I love, love, love this kit. Love it. Love it. I'm going to put all the mini kit. So 217, this is going to stay here. Separate. Freebies. I should put all the freebies together. No, let's leave that aside. So this is 216, 216, 216, 216. Aha, 211. That goes over there. Because I thought I bought the whole kit in this order. Turns out I didn't. So that's why this is here. These are the pattern labels for this 216. These are some other random pieces that I got. This is MK205S. So we'll keep that aside. These are icons from 204. This is the Peacock kit. And I got maybe 2 pieces of that kit. It was disjointed the last time that I ordered. I think a lot of things were selling out and I was just trying to get what I could at the time. So all of this is kit 204. I think I bought this to go with this kit. And then these are the rest of my replacements for the headers that I conveniently misordered the last time. So these are many, many of the colors. Many, many different colors. Okay. Now, if you're ordering from Planner Kate, you can put in the notes PK color all together. Put these 2 words together, PK color, and you'll get this sheet. And I bought this sheet because I didn't buy it. It's free. I got this sheet so that I could, when I'm looking at the colors of what I want to buy or purchase, if there's a chance that I want to change a color, I could ask for one of these. Okay? Because sometimes you like a kit, but there's just a color that you need changed. So this is over here. This can hang over there. This is the hourly from kit 217. The sampler should be somewhere. Functional script stickers. Planner time. Rain. Oh, this watercolor rain is so gorgeous. Mostly cloudy. Is this mostly or partly? I think this is mostly cloudy. So I got 2 of those. This is partly cloudy. I should have gotten 2 of these. And then this is sunny. These are our seasons in Texas. Our seasons are sun, partly sunny, mostly sunny, rain, and then the occasional freezing temperatures. Yes, storms also. These watercolors are gorgeous. And then these are basic labels. Dinner. I thought I got 2 of those. Well, these are just mealtime stickers. Or dinner. I would use them for dinner stickers. And this is the sampler for kit 217. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. To me, it's like a bright rainbow. Yes, a bright, intense rainbow. And I love it. Love it. And this is the sampler for the ski kit. We don't ski in Texas, but it gets cold over here. So I think I have the full boxes of this kit, and then I got the sampler and the ombre boxes. What I think I should have gotten, and now that she has these hourly checklists, because I'm not a no white space planner, which means I don't just plaster my planner completely full with stickers, sometimes these can be a brain block. So I need to do better with purchasing the hourly checklist, because you just put a checkbox on it and yeah, get your stuff done. And it's easier to do it, to use the checklists on your planner than to write over these, because when I white out my hours and my hourly, I put white out over them, and then I want to put a checkbox on it, and you have to use a marker to write on it, and sometimes you can't even get that. So this is another kit. This is beautiful. MK171C. And I think this is one of the old kits. I love, love, love the color. And we have a rainbow, and this is a pastel rainbow. Can you hear from the change in my voice how much I love this? Love it. I should have had 2 of one of these. Anyway, full boxes, hourly, okay, 2 of that. And then the sampler. I can use these for 2 weeks very easily. 154B. Oh, for some reason I thought these were the same. They could go together. They really could. They could, but they're not. Anywho, now I have 2 similar kits. And when I put these in my folder, this is one of my binders that has Planner Kate stickers. One of them, yes. I love it. I'm not denying myself anymore. I'm just going to keep doing it. I mean, not this month, or not next month, but it is what it is. So this is kit 157D. Love, love, love the yellow. In her March kits, is it March or April? March or April, there are more yellow kits coming out. I love yellow. Yes, I'm going to get some more yellow kits. I do have a lot of kits right now, and I'm so happy about them. No school, because, I mean, self-explanatory. That will be put with the functional stuff. Now let me put all these aside. Ugh, I love this so much. So let's put all that aside, and I'll separate the functional from the kits because they don't stay in the same mini folder for me. Okay, now Misfit and Reformat grab bags. Now these are about $12.50. These are $12.50, and let's see, we got this sampler, this sampler, this sampler. The thing with the Misfit is there's usually a small error on it if it's maybe cut through too much, or, you know, like this. These look great and useful. Yeah, see that? So part of the sticker came off. She can't use it, so just put it back. And I don't see anything wrong with it. Okay, I see what's wrong. There's a little strip down there, but that's it. That is, yeah, that's it. That's it. What's wrong with you? I can't see what's wrong with this. Can you? I can't. A lot of the stickers in the Misfit kits, people have said that you can barely see anything wrong with them. I don't usually do budget kits, but oh my gosh, isn't this perfect for March? Totally, totally perfect. Oh my god, like, but this is for a petite planner, and I don't use a petite planner for my sinking fund, so I'm not sure how I'm going to use that. This is budget. Again, I don't use budget kits, but this is pretty. This is pretty. So I have fixed expenses, variable expenses. I would just have variable or bills. I don't know. This is pretty good. This is good. I could use this. I could use this next month. This is from an old, ooh, finances. Oh wow. This is good. Whatever this is good. So you have habit trackers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to-do lists, some flags, some circles, and all of these. I love this. This is for expenses, what you spend Monday through Sunday. I have a more misformatted kit from this one. Ooh, this is nice. So now I have two of them. What is the misformat in this? Okay, there's a slight thing over there where the ink is more to the side. That's it. That is literally it. I mean, yes. Oh, wow. Okay, I see the problem with this one. So there's a sticker here missing, and then there's this ink thing right here and over here. Apart from that, the rest of this is very useful. More dinner. What is the misfit about these? I cannot find it. Can you? I can't find it. You have hourly labels in the EC colors. Huh. And then, okay, here, this strip is missing. Maybe there should have been something here. Is it cut right? It's cut. It appears to be cut right. This is a monthly. This might be for a petite planner. No school. That's pretty good. Ooh, workout. What's wrong with this? I can't even tell. I don't see anything wrong with this. Do you? I don't. So this is a very good, and she comes out with these, I think, either the first of the month. So the first of the month, she has these Misfit grab bags. This is a great way to get into Planner Kate if you haven't already. And you get it for $12.50. You can use a 20% off coupon, and that's it. And these, look at all these stickers. So how many sheets? 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to count all of them. Let's remove the smaller ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny sheets. And then the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 7. That's about 19 sheets of stickers. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 sheets of stickers for $12.50 minus 20%. So great deal. Great deal. The stickers have very little wrong with them. Some of them you can't even see anything wrong, but most of us would use them. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this haul. I'm trying to get out of doing hauls on my channel, but I'm not going to stop for Planner Kate or Simply Gilded or Oso Paper. So I guess I'm not really stopping. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments down below. Which of these is your favorite? All right. Thanks, y'all. Bye.